a binomial number equals a perfect trinomial. Why is this so? Today we are gonna learn the second identity. As we know, a minus b whole square is equals to a minus b into a minus b. First of all, we consider a line segment A, then we subtract b. Take away line b as here. Rest of the line we have a minus b. Since we are talking of square of a minus b, so we consider a square of length a minus b whose area would be a minus b into a minus b, because we know area of a square is equals to side into side. And how do we get this identity? Let's see. With the help of few examples here, consider a line segment of 11 and take away 6. Rest of the line is 5 centimeter. Then consider a square of length 5 whose area would be 5 into 5, 25. How do we get this 5 into 5, 25? That is by extracting this much area from 11 square by dividing it into two rectangles, by drawing this vertical line or horizontal line or both of these line, which will divide it into three shapes, and we extract that area from original 11 square. Here we have first configuration. First rectangle's area 11 by 6, second rectangle's area 6 by 5. And we subtract these two areas from 11, then shift these numerical values into algebraic expression, that is our identity. Here is second example. Extracting 5 from 11, we get 6 square, that is area would be 36. How do we get 36? By extracting right side area from original square, that was 11 square. Again we divide it into two rectangles. First is of measure 11 by 5, second is of 6 by 5. Now replace these numerical numbers. A is 11, B is 5 and third variable 6 in terms of A and B, and we get our identity square of A minus 2AB plus square of B. Third possibility we can check by extracting 4 from 11, that is 11 minus 4 whole square, and here we have 7 square, that would be 49. Now again we divide the area into two rectangles to extract it from original square, that is 11 by 4 and 7 by 4. When we subtract these two values, we have third variable 7. We express in terms of A and B, that is 11 minus 4, that is A minus B. Again we have same answer, that is our result. Let's try one more, that is extracting 3 from 11. Subtract 3 from 11 and we have this configuration. And when we remove this area, first rectangle we will consider here 11 by 3 and second would be 8 by 3. And then we subtract these two rectangles area from 11 square, which we are taking as A. So now replace A 8, that is A minus B. When we substitute the values, we have perfect trinomial here, that is square of binomial number. So this result is true for all the numbers. When we try to find a minus b whole square by extracting b from a, we get two rectangles in first configuration a by b, first rectangle, and second is of size a minus b into b. In second arrangement we get two rectangles, first is of side a minus b into b and second is of a into b, just shift of arrangement or nothing else. In third arrangement we get two rectangles of same size a minus b into b and a square of side b square. In order to find a minus b whole square, we extract this yellow portion, that will be square of a minus b into b twice of minus b square, and this is our result, a perfect trinomial.